What if every single human vanished from Earth in a split second? How long until power grids collapse and cities go dark? And how many years will it take for nature to completely wipe out our existence? Within 24 hours, the world turns pitch black, and within 1,000 years, every skyscraper we ever built will crumble into dust.
Welcome to If Hub, where we explore terrifying and mind-bending scenarios that could change our world forever.
It is day one after every single human vanishes from Earth. The bustling streets of Times Square and Shibuya Crossing are eerily quiet. Vehicles sit abandoned in mid-traffic, and pedestrian crosswalks echo with complete silence. For a short while, automated systems keep basic services alive, but without human hands to monitor control panels, the clock is officially ticking. Within 24 to 48 hours, hospital backup generators burn through their diesel fuel, plunging medical centers into darkness. Hydroelectric and nuclear power plants trip routine circuit breakers that normally require human manual resets. One by one, power grids collapse around the globe, leaving modern cities cold, dark, and completely unmonitored. By the end of the first month, heating systems and natural gas distribution networks fail due to severe pressure drops. In colder climates, unheated homes freeze solid, causing water pipes to burst and flood millions of residential interiors. Behind closed doors, abandoned pets and livestock are forced to break out into the wild or face starvation. Within a year, urban environments turn into post-apocalyptic zones. Packs of feral dogs roam the dark streets in search of prey, behaving similarly to the wildlife around Chernobyl. Even renewable power grids like solar and wind turbines shut down due to unaddressed mechanical glitches and grid instability. What actually caused us to vanish plays a massive role in what gets left behind. If a nearby supernova hit Earth with a sudden gamma-ray burst, our atmosphere would be stripped away instantly, and the crust would be completely sanitized, leaving zero infrastructure standing. Similarly, an asteroid impact like the Chicxulub rock that wiped out the dinosaurs would unleash continent-wide firestorms and a decade-long nuclear winter. Alternatively, an all-out nuclear war involving thousands of warheads would blast cities to ash, leaving radioactive ruins across the globe. However, if humanity was wiped out by a bioengineered superbug, a rogue pathogen, or microscopic self-replicating nanobots, the physical world would remain completely untouched. Every bridge, museum, and skyscraper would stand perfectly intact, a pristine, silent museum waiting for decay to take over. Without firefighters, lightning strikes trigger massive unmanaged forest fires that burn into suburban neighborhoods. Rain and snow breach the waterproofing seals on house roofs. Within 20 to 30 years, roof beams rot and collapse, allowing mold, moss, and burrowing insects to destroy interior furniture. By year 50, window seals on glass high-rises deteriorate, causing massive glass panes to shatter on the streets below. Rainwater rusts internal rebar, causing concrete walls to fracture and office towers to slump over. Suspension bridges rust out, snapping their main cables and plunging into rivers. After 1,000 years, stone cathedrals, the Statue of Liberty, and Rome's ancient Pantheon finally crumble under centuries of unmaintained weathering. Modern steel and glass metropolises are reduced to massive rubble mounds, leaving only heavily buried, thick structures like the Egyptian pyramids intact under rising sands. After 10,000 years, plastic breaks down into microparticles, and dense jungle growth covers former cities. By 100,000 years, endangered animals like mountain gorillas and leopards repopulate in millions. Domestic dogs evolve into new apex pack hunters, Dingoes 2.0, acting as our last biological legacy on the surface. Deep underground, mine shafts, subway tunnels, and nuclear waste vaults survive long after surface structures disappear. Eventually, continental drift will drag these underground remnants into Earth's mantle. Millions of years later, a newly evolved intelligent species may dig up human bone fossils, the final physical proof of our existence before the sun expands and swallows Earth in 5 billion years.